Welcome to Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care, Kolkata. Today we are discussing about ceramic dental veneers for correcting gaps or spacing in teeth. Ours is one of the most awarded cosmetic dental clinic in Kolkata. Making people smile is our humble contribution to the world. So let's see her. Patient reported to us with gaps in her front teeth, both in the upper and the lower jaw, and was very concerned about her smile. When we looked at her inside her mouth, we noted there are significant gaps in both the upper as well as the lower teeth, which was bothering her. She had gaps in her upper front teeth, which were quite significant. She also had gaps in her lower teeth. She was both bothered about the upper as well as the lower jaw. She was very conscious of her problem, but she wanted a quick solution to this problem as she did not have much time. We have a traditional way of suggesting solution to such problems. One, dental braces or aligners, which is a natural way, or cosmetic dentistry or smile designing, which is an artificial option. She wanted an instant solution, and hence she went for digital or cosmetic smile designing in the form of veneers. When we analyzed her upper and the lower jaw, we noted that the gaps were so huge that cosmetic dental filling, which is very commonly used, cannot be used. It could lead to problems such as multiple fracture of the filling, as the fillings would be really large. And she also wanted a permanent solution. Therefore, we suggested her ceramic dental veneers in the form of digital smile designing, both in the upper as well as lower teeth. When we analyzed the upper, we noted that significant amount of cosmetic smile designing needs to be done in the form of veneers. So we advised her veneers in the upper front 6 teeth, which is in her smile range. So digital designing of 6 veneers was advised, which was computerized designing and color analysis. This forms an integral part of digital smile designing or DSD. Similarly, in the lower arch also, the front 6 teeth were taken into consideration, as this is the smile range of a person normally. So DSD was advised to her in the lower arch also. Therefore, digital designing of 6 veneers with computerized designing and color analysis was also done in the lower. After a scanning was taken, 3D printing of the model was done in the upper, over which ceramic veneers were prepared. First, a shape approval was done from the patient for all the 6 veneers. Then the color approval was done. And finally, we gave all the 6 veneers to her, which was fixed in her mouth. Similarly, in the lower arch also, 3D printing of the model was done after digital scanning, and ceramic veneers were made, and then all the veneers were made after shape and color approval from the patient. Once this was made, a complete bite check was also done to see whether she can bite efficiently with the veneers inside her mouth. So the magic of the treatment lies in the fact that she had gaps in her front teeth. And after 5 hours of work, we got her veneers done, in which all the teeth which were malformed were reshaped, and then veneers were placed to give her an absolute perfect smile. Similarly, in the lower arch, there were lots of gaps, and the teeth were all of irregular shape and size. The veneers were given in the lower arch, and then the bites were all checked to see whether she is comfortable both with her look as well as with her function. So her success story could be yours too if you have similar problems like this of gaps in teeth. And after a mere 5 hours of work, we got her a completely changed smile, which is just like a facial transformation. So this was the change that we got to her smile. This was before treatment to after treatment changes, a life-changing experience. From the side also, she had quite a lot of gaps, which was taken care of. Therefore, both her front face as well as her side face was taken care of with respect to smile. Get yourself a smile, a gift of a lifetime. If you want similar treatment or have similar problems and you want instant solutions, you can meet our dental braces and cosmetic smile designing expert, Dr. Abhishek Ghosh, in our clinic in South Kolkata, Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care. For knowing more about this form of treatment, you can visit our website www.greatlakesdentalclinics.com or contact us at 833-709-8496 or 833-5979173. Thank you for looking into this video. Keep subscribing us in YouTube to know more about such form of cosmetic dental treatment and dental braces.